Hi und herzlich willkommen zurück auf den Channel. Heute sind wir wieder mit G-Konzert. Wir schauen uns Ruby im 2 Episode 3 meiner Hiccup an. Wie immer, lasst gerne ein Like und ein Abo da, wenn ihr noch mehr sehen wollt.
Warte, scheiße, ich habe die Aufnahme nicht gestartet.
Geht zuerst auf roostertv.com und schaut euch komplett Ruby durch. Dieser Bullshit von uns ist kein Marktersatz. Fehlt noch was?
Nö.
Ah doch, schaut in seinen
Hallo, herzlich willkommen zu auf
schaut in seinen vielleicht existierenden Patreon rein.
Ich habe jetzt gerade angefangen, meine Güte.
Egal. Let's
Ich habe
go.
keinen Patreon. Kein Marktersatz. Schaut
Ja.
roosterteeth.com.
roosterteeth.com.
There's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line that we'll cross and there's no return. There's a time and a place, no bridges left to burn anymore.
Ach du Scheiße, hat gerade das Mikro aufgeklemmt.
Just wait with life to take until we're ready. Our enemies are gathering, our storm is growing louder. Now it's time to say goodbye to the things we love and the innocence of God. All the time seems to fly from every life, and the solitary beats me up with you.
So. Let's go.
So, Weiss, you know,
Yeah, blah, blah,
I
blah.
was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat. And, you know, well, I've got 2 tickets to that.
Bla bla bla.
Waze
Bruce
ignoriert
Willis
ihn
movie
einfach.
if we want to make the trip to Vale. I hear it's awesome.
Jo.
And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm you know.
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Until next time.
Did you hear me?
Next time.
No, 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 yes.
Oh.
One day. I thought that class would never end.
All right, guys, today's the day. The investigation begins.
I'm glad to see we're taking
What
this
investigation?
so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious.
Right. Everyone remember their roles?
Jo.
And I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great. We'll meet up tonight
Okay.
near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this.
Ja.
Son,
What the monkey boy?
up
Monkey
It's
kid?
easy. I do it all the time.
Ja.
He's a
I
monkey.
things all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that Torchwick guy?
We are going to investigate the situation
Jo.
as a
Go.
team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Sup?
How did you even
Hello?
get
Sup?
here?
I have my ways.
Hallo,
Seriously, like, when
Brocrafter.
I come in, we're like
Hallo. Hallo.
Ah,
really
jetzt.
high up right now.
Ja,
Alright,
Dude.
I'll go with Weiss.
Dein Internet hat
You
wieder
can go with
aufgegeben.
Blake.
Aha.
And Neptune,
Gut.
you can go with Yang since she
Ja.
doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Uh-huh.
But,
Nah.
Ja. Na.
I forget how big the transmit
Nah.
tower looks up close. You should
Nah.
see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right?
correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Wow.
True.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the
Yeah.
only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah. Oh,
Penny? Nee.
You
dropped this.
Doch.
Ja,
Penny?
Penny.
Where have you
Penny.
been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go.
What was that about?
I don't know, but I'm going to find out.
Me neither.
You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait! Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What?
No.
Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop! Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Okay.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I
Ich
help
bin
you?
müde.
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
Hallo? Gekons?
Ja, hallo?
Du rauschst wieder? Sag mal was.
Es tut mir leid. Ich habe nichts gemacht. Literally.
Ja, egal. Das schon.
Nee, ich finde es nicht so egal, aber okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
What was she thinking about?
Was?
Egal.
Wie meinst du?
Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you.
Sie hat eine Schwester und die ist einfach Winterschnee.
Genau, ja. Jo. Schreibt es am besten auch auf.
Okay. Warte. So.
I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred.
Sie kann nicht wirklich Nein sagen.
Nee.
Also.
Well, now,
Wonderful. That will be all then.
are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Es geht weiter.
Ich weiß. Ich hab's diesmal angeguckt.
Okay.
Diesmal gesehen. Aber du bist stolz auf
I
mich.
wish I could help
Yeah.
you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset?
Why?
No, it wasn't my father.
The AK-130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Smarter.
Wieder Atlas-Theme.
And admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to...
Warte, ist Penny die Tochter von James Ironwood?
Es ist eine interessante Theorie, aber nicht ganz.
Okay.
The Elysian Paladin. Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else. Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Out here. She went this way.
Breakable Thing.
Yes. Geniale Beschreibung, finde ich, oder?
Ja.
Das ist genau, worum es geht.
And Ruby's dead. Yo! Okay.
Are you okay?
Mhm.
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
Penny, come back!
Call the police? Did she stop that with her bear?
Ist das ihre Semblance?
Nicht wirklich.
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that?
Why are you running?
Everything's fine. I
Wow.
don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise.
Yes.
Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
Oh.
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 Also.
Ja, ein Outro bitte. Oder Gedanken oder
Ja.
Reaktionszeugs.
Das war Ruby Volume 2 Episode 3. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Lasst gerne ein Like und ein Abo da. Schaut bei Gamers vorbei. Vielleicht hat er ja ein Patreon. Und dann bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao.